In this video, I'm going to show you how to stake your BNB coin on the TrustWallet mobile app. I will show you the best way to get your BNB into TrustWallet and more importantly, choose the correct version of BNB so you can stake your coin, as one of them won't work. Then we can choose a staking pool and stake our BNB to earn passive income. And as a bonus, towards the end of this video, I will show you some great alternative methods to earn some passive income with the cryptos that you own. So make sure to stick with me till the end. But for now, let's get scoping. First, let's go to the dashboard of our TrustWallet app, where you can see there's two BNB wallets. One that says BNB and one that says Smart Chain. So if you're wondering what the difference between the two of them are and when you would use each of these, I'll explain to you now. So the plain BNB wallet is your BEP2 token, which is just a standard Binance chain, and it is generally used for facilitating fast decentralized trading, for example in the Binance DEX. And your BNB coin can be used to stake and earn passive income. Whereas on your Smart Chain wallet, this is the Binance Smart Chain, where the coins are called BEP20 tokens. And this blockchain is used for smart contracts or DeFi, and your BNB is mainly used to pay for gas fees. Okay, now that you know the difference between the two tokens, let's actually go and fund our wallet with the BNB token. And I also have a discount sign up link for you, which will save you on the trading fees. So if you're interested in signing up with Binance and want to get a discount, then check out my link in the description below, or you can type in this link here. And if you want a full tutorial on how to set up, fund and purchase crypto on Binance, then I have this in-depth step-by-step tutorial for you here, which you can click on and go through and get started. From the homepage of our Binance mobile app, we can click on wallet, then go to withdraw and select BNB. Now you need to enter in your address here. So we will go back to our Trust wallet and choose our BEP2 wallet, which is the standard BNB wallet. Now we want to click on receive, and here we can either scan the QR code or just copy the wallet address here. And now go back to our Binance app. If you wanted to scan the code, you can click here and it will open your camera. But we're just going to paste in our wallet address here. And if this is a frequently used address, you can also add it to your address book by clicking here. Now under network, you can see that Binance have automatically selected BEP2 network for you here. If we click on it, you can see there's two options, BEP2 and BEP20. So make sure you choose the correct one. But Binance should have done that for you to start with anyway. And a quick double check you can make is that the first three letters of your BEP2 token will always start with BNB, but for your BEP20 tokens, it will start with 0x. So that's just a quick tip for you. So now for the amount, I'm going to transfer 0.02 and we can click on withdraw. Now on TrustWallet, you don't need to fill in any memo. So you can click on submit, click confirm, and enter in our verification codes. And click on submit, and that's it. Our withdrawal was successful. And now we can go back to our TrustWallet app and just wait a few seconds for our funds to arrive. And there it is. It took under 30 seconds for my BNB to arrive on my TrustWallet app. Now the next feature on TrustWallet I want to show you is how to stake your cryptocurrency. We can do that by clicking on wallet, then going to finance. And under finance, you can see currently TrustWallet has 6 different cryptos that you can stake and make some passive income from. So for example, Binance, you can get an annual return of over 23%. This means that if you deposit one BNB coin, in 12 months time, you're going to have 1.23 BNB. This is a really good return for a crypto asset that you already currently own and is just sitting there not earning any passive income. One minor negative I do have on staking on TrustWallet is that they have a minimum requirement. For example, BNB, I will need to have a minimum of 1 BNB to be able to stake on TrustWallet. So now I've sent over some BNB and now I have a total of over 1 BNB. So I can go ahead and stake my BNB on the TrustWallet app. You can do that by clicking on more and then click stake. Enter in the BNB amount that you want. For this one, I just want to do 1 BNB. Choose your validator. And DefiBit is an active validator that I trust, but make sure to do your own research and pick the one that's right for you. So I'll choose this one and then click on continue. It'll show you the network fees and the total amount that you're depositing. And once you're happy with that, click on send. Now I will approve my transaction. So now you can see from clicking on more and stake details that I now have 1 BNB staked on my TrustWallet. And a quick note is that there's a lock time of 7 days. This means that once you withdraw your BNB coin, it will take 7 days for it to unlock and arrive into your wallet so you can transfer it out. And if you want to unstake your BNB, then you will have to click here and then select the amount, click continue, and then click send. But I won't do that for now. And there's one more useful option that I want to tell you, which is the redelegate option. If you click on that, you can see here that you're able to change validators. If you're not happy with the one that you're currently with, maybe you don't trust them anymore or the rate has gone down, you can select the to validator and then choose a different one that you want, either based on your trust level or the percent APR that they are providing. So for this example, I'll select Cream as I trust them and they have a pretty decent rate. Now you can click on continue and then pay the 17-cent transaction fee, click on send. And that's it. That has been done. And if we go on more and go to staking details again, you can see that my delegator is now Cream. So this change is instant and you don't have to wait the 7 days like if you want to unstake. So as you can see that it's great to be able to stake and earn passive income on your Trust Wallet account, right? However, on Trust Wallet right now, you're very limited on the assets that you can stake. If you're looking for more variety and want to stake your other assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum or other altcoins as well, which is not available for staking on Trust Wallet, then it is a good idea to take advantage of these platforms, which I'm about to show you here. Plus, you can get a free sign up bonus worth $375. So I think it's a no-brainer here. You simply just have to go to the links in the description below, sign up for these platforms and start staking your crypto to earn your standard APY and the free bonus. You can see here through my links, BlockFi will give you a $250 bonus when you stake your crypto with them. And Celsius Network is going to be a $50 bonus. Crypto.com is also not bad at $25. Same thing with Leden at $25. And lastly, Voyager is going to be $25 as well. My favorites, which I use for the long term, are BlockFi, Celsius Network, and Crypto.com. But Leden and Voyager are still worthwhile signing up and getting their bonus. Now, if you want more information on these platforms that I just mentioned, then I recommend you check out this playlist here, where I have done a full in-depth review and tutorial on all these platforms. But if you just need more help on Trust Wallet, then I also have a playlist here which you can check out and pick the best video for you. So check that out and I'll see you in the next tutorial.